Today we have a 2025 S63 in emerald green metallic. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding, Joe, I love you. But we do have a beautiful 2025 S63 in emerald green metallic, and I want to show it to you. What I love about this color is that this is a dual color, which means, to me anyway, that depending on the sunlight it's in, it's going to give you a different look. So on a day like today where we've got low light conditions, it almost looks black. But when you get direct sunlight on it, this car will actually be a beautiful shimmering metallic green. Did a quick check, and it is currently the only emerald green S63 in the country with a Macchiato Beige interior. And I have found over the years that AMG models do very well with the Macchiato Beige interiors because most of them get built with black interiors or other dark interiors. So what I have found is that the luxury car consumer likes to have that nice, airy and bright luxury interior that a Macchiato Beige will provide. So let me take you around the car and show it to you a little bit. So the S63, or the executive land yacht as I like to call it, is an absolutely stunning vehicle. It is the pinnacle of luxury. And if you're looking for just an absolute rocket ship that will drive like a cloud when you want it to, the S63 is absolutely the way to go. So you're really getting a look at emerald green in a low light condition. And on this video even, it really does look almost like a black car. And I'm not sure that I'm gonna have enough light to really get up on it and show it to you, but you might be able to see the green coming through just a little bit. That's one of the things that I love about this paint, is that it just really, depending on the light that it's in, and you can see the green coming through just a bit there. But on the inside of this car is where it really shines. You've got the Macchiato Beige interior, diamond stitching all throughout. We have a nice green ambient lighting on here right now to match the exterior of the car. AMG seats with the crest and the headliner piping all around. We have our Macchiato steering wheel here, and this car has carbon fiber all throughout. 3D surround sound system here in the ceiling. Brand new car. And not that you would get driven in your S63, but if you should choose to have somebody else drive, lots of room here in the back of the vehicle. So one of my favorite cars. They are wolves in sheep's clothing, and I think that everyone knows looking at the car that it is in fact an absolute rocket ship, but you really just can't tell exactly how fast it is until you're in it and experiencing it. But let me know in the comments below, what do you think of the color combination? Do you like the emerald green? Do you like the Macchiato interior? I know brown is always a popular choice for the green exterior cars. We decided to change it up just a little bit with this one, and I'm pleased to see that there are no other emerald green on Macchiato Beige S63s anywhere in the country. That's on ground or incoming shortly, which makes this a very truly unique spec. My name is Doug with BenzsandBowties. Give me a like and a follow for more content like this.